Hi guys, this is Shweta
This is Inder.
and you guys are watching Shwe vlog. छोड़ो ना, शीश पकड़ के रखी तुमने. वैसे अच्छा एक बात बताओ, तुम्हारा मैथ्स कितना अच्छा है? चलो मैं देखती हूँ.
I got 148 out of 150 in 10th standard.
इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड ना, तो अभी कैलकुलेट करो. चलो 8 + 1
नहीं पता.
बोलो ना.
ना.
148 बोला था, तो फिर अभी बोलो 8 +
8
1.
+ 1 नहीं आता.
नहीं बोलो,
नहीं आता.
गिनो.
नहीं आता.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 इधर है और इधर एक 1 करो, तो कितना होगा? अभी गिनो.
18.
गिनो.
ये देखो 1 ऐसा 8 ऐसा, तो क्या हुआ?
नहीं, मैंने 8 प्लस बोला, +1 कितना होता है?
11.
चलो 10 - 1 कितना होता है बताओ.
10 में से अगर 1 निकाला तो
हाँ.
0.
कैसे 0?
अगर 10 है ये 1 और 0, अगर मैंने 1 निकाल दिया तो 0 बचा ना.
नहीं,
It's 9.
9. So today's movie trailer is 9. मार दी मेरे को जोरों की तुमने.
Okay, let me give you some information regarding the movie. So we are going to react to the movie trailer number 9. The movie name is 9. 9 को अभी मलयालम में क्या बोलते हैं प्लीज बता देना. You want to know?
No.
I know. Random means 2.
Okay.
Random means 2.
Okay, so the 9
Okay, now let me give you some information regarding the movie. The release date of the movie is 7th Feb 2019.
last year movie.
Yes, and it's directed by Januse Mohammad Majid and music director Shan Rahman. And in cast we have Wamika Gabi,
Wamika Gabi.
Prithviraj. Nice. Prithviraj Sukumaran, Mamta Mohan Das, और you know वो एक्टर इसमें चीटिंग करता है हमेशा. चीटिंग करता है मेरे साथ.
चीटिंग करता है तू. मैंने क्या देखा? चीटिंग करता है तू. प्रकाश राज.
And we have Shekhar Menon, we have Tony Luke, we have Melda Les. And regarding the movie, Albert Levi's, a scientist, sets out to Himalayas with his sons and few colleagues for an astronomical research in Himalayas. Okay. Things take turn when he meets Eva, a young woman, and brings her home. Okay.
So it's a love story and
नहीं love story थोड़ी है.
Eva bring home. Who is Eva?
जरूरी तो वही तो देखेंगे तो मालूम पड़ेगा ना यार. ऐसा थोड़ी लव स्टोरी मतलब.
अरे वो घर पे लेके आते हैं तो फिर
they meet a girl and they get her home. It's not necessary it's a love story. मतलब लड़का लड़की मिलकर तुमको लव स्टोरी लग गई. क्या ये रे? क्या यूट्यूबर बनेगी रे तू?
यूट्यूबर नहीं बनना है मेरे को.
So guys, let's react on the trailer 9.
जोर का लगा दिया तुमने मेरे को. दांत दुखेगा अभी मेरे को. चलो देखते.
Yep. चलो.
Happy birthday, Adam.
ആദമിനെ ഈ സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്നും ഞാൻ എക്സ്പെൽ ചെയ്യുകയാണ്.
നിനക്ക് എപ്പോ തുടങ്ങി പേടി? ഭയം.
ഞാൻ എവിടെയാ?
Look up at the sky, Albert. എല്ലാ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്കും ഉത്തരം അവിടെ നിന്ന് വരും. വരാനിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ 9 ദിവസങ്ങളെ നിങ്ങൾ ഭയത്തോടുകൂടി അല്ല കാണുന്നത്.
ഒരു 7 വയസ്സുകാരനിൽ അതിശയിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ബുദ്ധിയാണ് എന്റെ മകനുള്ളത്. He is evil.
പേടിപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന ഒരു തരം ഭംഗി. വേറേതോ ലോകത്തേക്കുള്ള ഒരു വാതിൽ പോലെ.
वो तुम्हारा बेटा है
उसकी रक्षा करना तुम्हारा फर्ज है।
ഡാഡി ഉള്ളിടത്തോളം കാലം മോനെ ആരും ഒന്നും ചെയ്യില്ല.
Okay, so yeah, actually I'm confused. The 9
So basically, he has
Number.
9 days to do something like
9 days
which
or
might-
the boy.
But boy, it shows he kind of might be have some special powers, because he, if you see in between, he says like he has some special skills or
Some-
special
yes.
yes, that and if you like it kind of looks spooky, but still it's interesting. So basically, I think so he also get expelled from the school, and that kid is shown he's like bit disturbed with something,
Disturbed
like
with
some
something
supernatural
and,
maybe something, because
and even he don't know like what's going on with him. He was totally confused.
and if you see that monk, he said like, he's your son, you have to protect him, it's your duty to
It's
protect
your
him.
duty to protect him.
It-
He's just giving that, you know, that sympathy type, that I'm your father, I'm going to protect you, you are my son, you will be alive. But if you see the end, there was something, the two eyes.
Yeah, it was coming out of the wall.
Yes,
Why do you always go to the end? Why don't you go it in sequence?
I'll go with sequence,
Oh,
but
no, no,
it's
no.
a horror movie, I guess.
Yeah, it's something astronomical. If you see, they have shown a glimpse of outsider, then some kind of meteorite flowing, like falling down and maybe going up.
Okay.
It's okay na, chalega, samajh aayenge.
Fair be.
So it's basically a science fiction movie, and it's in Malayalam language. And again, Prithviraj is looking amazing.
He is amazing. Even I like the
The kid.
kid.
And even the female actress, like, she's also looking spooky, because she's kind of said like, where am I? She has no clue where she was. It was looking very spooky, and if you see, I can see the locations are also very good. It's showing different location, because
Different location.
the monk, the place where he was talking to the monk, if you see at the background, it was very nice.
Very nice. Very
And
nice.
when we read the synopsis, they basically say they went to Himalayas. So yes, we might see a lot of amazing locations within the movie,
Within
because
the movie.
but I am kind of interested, and yes, I am also confused, but something related to 9 days is gonna happen within 9 days, and he
9
have to face a lot of
days
fears
or-
in those 9 days.
How he will do that?
And if you see, like, he was getting chased by husky, the giant husky. I love huskies, by the way. But he was getting chased by husky, of course. Husky, it's type of a dog breed.
I know
Like,
that.
they are kind of a wolf. They are from the wolf species.
And you love husky.
Yes.
Oh.
I wish I can keep them here, but
We
it's too
cannot
hot in
keep it.
Mumbai.
It's too
Yeah.
hot in Mumbai, and
Yeah.
they do like
They
need
like the very lower
degrees.
temperature. I'm kind of interested to know more information about this movie.
The 9.
Yeah, because yes,
Not
I'm
the
also
9, only 9.
I'm also confused, but it still looks
I,
interesting.
I'm confused because when I saw the last part, I was like, oh god, it's a horror movie, and then I think like it's a supernatural movie or anything.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is
pretty
related to
sure.
supernatural, and it's basically a
Yes.
science fiction movie. And guys, please type some information in the comments regarding this movie if you have any. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys might have watched this movie. I would like to know more about this movie, and also let me know, like, should I watch this movie, and if possible also provide me with the link.
And also
or-
tell me whether it is Bhoot ka movie or no.
Don't tell, it's okay. I'll make her watch the movie anyways if I'm watching it.
No,
See, if I'm watching any movie, you have to watch it,
Bye.
even if it's horror or not.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, please let us know some more information about this movie in the comment box, so we can get some more information, and we would love to watch this, like, because it looks interesting and it's spooky, and she's scared of horror. It also and make sure that she's haunted while watching this movie. So guys, yes, that's it. We loved it.
guys-
Again, this was a suggestion.
videos, yes, and do like, subscribe, share,
And
comment.
ऐसा इतना घाई क्यों रहता तुम्हें guys? Do like, subscribe, share, comment, click on the bell icon. ये को bell इधर.
हाँ,
Bye guys.
क्या कर दी तुमने? बाय गॉश.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.